In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Asana accounts. Whether you're consolidating accounts for personal use or streamlining your work processes, merging accounts in Asana can be a handy tool. Let's walk through the steps to ensure everything goes smoothly. To start, navigate to the Asana website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL to reach the Asana login page. Here, you will be prompted to enter your email address associated with your Asana account. Once you've entered your email, click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to input your password. Make sure you enter it correctly, then click on Login. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be greeted by your Asana homepage. This is where all your projects and tasks are listed. Locate your profile icon, usually at the top right of the screen, and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, navigate to Settings and give it a click. You'll be directed to your account settings page, where you'll find various options to manage your Asana account. What we're interested in is the account section. Click on it and you'll see options related to your account details. You should find an option labeled Add New Email. This is where the merging process begins. Sometimes Asana may ask you to re-authenticate your account to proceed further, so be prepared to enter your email and password once more if prompted. Once you've authenticated, click on Add New Email again. Now you'll want to type in the new email address you're planning to merge with your current account. Once entered, click the Add button to proceed. Asana will then send a confirmation link to your secondary email address. Head over to your email inbox, find the email from Asana, and click the link provided to confirm the merge. This step is crucial to verify that you're the rightful owner of both accounts you're attempting to merge. Once everything is confirmed, your accounts will be merged. From this point onwards, you can log into your Asana account using any of the email addresses associated with your account. Keep in mind, however, that once the accounts are merged, they cannot be separated again. So be absolutely sure you want to proceed with merging, as it's a permanent decision. And there you have it, you've successfully merged your Asana accounts. This process will allow you to streamline your workflow and consolidate your Asana experiences into one accessible account. If you found this guide helpful or have any further questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.